Hello guys, welcome to Honest Lifestyle. Well, those who are new here, I'm Khushi and I make videos on baby care, motivation and minimalist living. Also, the winner of the giveaway will be announced in this video, so stay tuned. Did you know that the domestic consumption in India, as per the recent report, has increased by 3.5 times in the last decade? It has gone from 31 trillion rupees to 110 trillion rupees. I mean, do we really need so many things to survive? So the other day, I was doing my favorite thing, that is binge watching TED Talks, where I stumbled upon a talk about a minimalist living, where there were these two speakers, Ryan and Joshua, and they started their minimalism journey when things went south for them. Basically, they realized that they had lost everything important in their life. However, they were still full of all the materialistic things. Now, they suggested something called as the unboxing method, which helped them a lot. And that whole talk is about how you can live a rich life with less stuff. So I decided to follow this unboxing method which they suggested, and it worked wonders. So today I'll tell you what it actually is and how you can do it. So basically what you have to do is you have to pack everything in your house, like everything that you own, into boxes and keep them away. So basically you can label the boxes like, footwear and clothes, utensils, junk, emotional stuff, and you can just label them and keep it in one corner of the house. And from next day, what you can do is when you wake up in the morning, you start taking out each and every item as you need. So the first day you would probably need your brush and soap and toothpaste, a plate, a bottle and things like that. Follow this for 30 days and you will be shocked to see how less things you need for just a span of 30 days. And if you continue this for another 2-3 months, you will realize that maximum things that will come out of the box will be 40% of the entire stuff that you own. So that is the art of unboxing and realizing what you actually need in life and what in excess do you have. Now I do realize that this is a bit extreme to do and it might not be feasible for everybody out there, and especially those who have kids or elders at home, but still you should definitely give it a try. You can do it by category, like you can take out all the clothes and pack them away and do it for next 30 days or 3 months and you'll realize what you actually need. Or you can do it with kitchen utensils. That is what I did. I have a 9-month-old baby, so I did it categorically. I first did it with my wardrobe. So what I did was I took out everything. I took out my dirty clothes, my clean clothes, the winter clothes, everything. And since I was very determined, at a very first glance, I was able to decide what I actually need and what I don't need. And I did a major declutter of those things. In my kitchen, there are still so many utensils that are put away. Basically all the aluminum, utensils, because we decided that aluminum is not really good for health. So we decided not to use it anymore. So I put a lot of those things away. I put a lot of frying pan and other kadhai and plates away, which I don't use it on a regular basis. So this is another way in which you can try. So basically, whether you do the entire house packing at the same time or you do it by category, the main thing which you will realize at the end of 30 days or 2 months or 3 months is that there's so much of stuff that you don't need or you don't use. Now you can later take a closer look into those things and then decide what has to be discarded or donated so that someone else will be able to use them. You don't keep things for just in case. That someday just in case I'll grab that t-shirt which doesn't fit me now and it will fit later, or that pair of jeans or the canvas and the paintbrush, thinking that someday I might wake up and I might want to be a painter and start painting. If that someday comes and you really want to be a painter, probably then you can buy the canvas or the paintbrush. But now you can give those things to someone out there who will use it and cherish it every day, who will know the value, and it will go to a home where you will see its use every day, and that will make you feel so happy. Now you must be thinking, okay Khushi, this sounds really cool and all, but what about my mark sheets and what about my seasonal clothes, my winter wear? Obviously I can't use them in summer and I will never know whether I'm using it in the next 30 days or 60 days. And what about the decor pieces and stuff like that? So basically, when you take out everything you need in the next 60 days or 30 days, then you can start taking a closer look at the stuff which you have labeled and kept as decor items, or mark sheets. Obviously mark sheets and other important papers you have to keep, so you can maybe arrange them properly and keep it back. And about the other things, you'll have to think, like, do you need 10 decor pieces or do you need 50? Do you need all of those vases in your home, or you just need 2 or 3? Basically, you have to hold each item in your hand and just ask one question to yourself. Does this item spark joy? Is this something that makes me happy? If yes, then definitely keep it. It's not about having 10 decor pieces than 50, or being a minimalism or minimalist doesn't mean that you have to let go of things that you love. So if you like having 50 decor pieces in your home and they bring you joy, definitely go ahead and keep it. But if you don't like those 10 vases, or those 15 pair of jeans which you don't wear, then maybe it's time to get rid of them. This method is actually the Konmari method of decluttering. She has written an amazing book on the life-changing art of tidying up. I am reading that book right now, and I am planning to make a separate series on the Konmari method for Indian society and Indian homes. I'll talk about how we can use her ways and methods to declutter our home and organize it in a better way. Also, a lot of things which might not be applicable to Indian homes and how we can tweak it to make it work for ourselves. Well, the thumb rule is that if you have not used a particular item for 6 months, for the last 6 months, chances are that you will not use them again in your life. So all those jeans or t-shirts and things which you think you might use, you probably will not use them again, and you can give it to someone who will find a home for those things. You need to keep only those items with you which spark joy, and those items for which you can find a home. Don't just keep gathering stuff and putting it away in boxes. Rather than, find a home for each item in your house, so that the item will be well placed in a particular area, and you will feel good about having such things in your home. Trust me, if you have to start living a simpler life, you definitely should try this method once. I have tried it with a small baby at home. You too should definitely try it. You can start it by a category, if not whole house at once, because obviously in India we have so many things at home. Maybe with kitchen utensils, maybe with your wardrobe, maybe with your books, your room. If you are a college going student, you can just do everything, pack everything in your room and keep it aside. And I know it's a little tedious, but it will be worth it, because at the end of this exercise or this challenge, you will realize what you actually are and what you actually love in life, what you really care and think about the most. A major self-realization will hit you, and you will have a whole new perspective towards life and towards your own self. So it is definitely worth a try. So guys, I hope you will take this up and you will give it a thought. Even if you're not able to do it physically, at least close your eyes for 5 minutes and think about doing it. Just think about what you would actually need on a regular basis, and have a closer look at your homes, at your room. What are the things that are just kept away for no proper use? What are the things that you can get rid of so that it will be helpful for someone else? And I hope you will find this useful, and please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now, coming to the giveaway winner. The winner of the giveaway is Ishita. Congratulations to you. And those who didn't win, don't worry, don't lose your hope. There will be again 2 giveaways when we hit 1000 subscribers. So please show some love and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon that you see on your screen so that you'll never miss any new video from us. See you soon. Till then, stay happy and stay blessed.